word is that uh, domestic violence or abuse is not limited to the husband and his wife.
Yes.
Other people in the family, as an home economist, you find that a family is started by the man and the wife.
Yes.
But along the line, other people will join this family. The wife who wants a younger sister of hers to come with the husband's permission, or the husband, maybe he is a firstborn, wants to raise his younger brother and say, come with me to the city, I can handle your schooling. So we will see that it's not only the man and the wife alone that live in the home. So because of that, domestic violence would also be could be meted on people who are not already husbands or wives.
Oh, wow.
Children could be involved. If we think back to all the exposures that we have had about this topic in the last few months, we will see that girls have come up to say their father uses their father used them as sex machines when their mother is not there. One lady confessed that when she refused, her elder sister said, you don't want to eat. Let her agree, let her do it, then you have food. We have seen instances where young girls, minors, have been forced and carnal knowledge has been had. They are not husband and wife. Old men, 60-year-old, abusing 3-year-old girls and so on. So it's not limited to husband and wife. And I also now want to talk about the aspect of our culture. To me, our culture is a major reason that domestic violence seems to thrive in our environments. You see, without any prejudice, I want to say that most of our the aspects of our culture about marriage, submission from the woman, sees only the woman and the person that must submit and submit and submit. Even when she's being abused, she must still submit in that abuse. And when she continues to do that, look at Tosin and she that we're talking about. By the time the man started gradually with her, if she had opted out, if she was not saying as a gospel singer, as a religionist, I don't want to be seen as somebody from a broken marriage. But now, marriage is not broken, but she's dead. And now we are even hearing that the man even had another wife, even when Osinachi was still alive. So there are aspects, have you not heard, sir? No. We have information that the man, when Osinachi was alive, was married to another woman.
The tendency should be there looking at that nature because you must love someone.
Yes.
Before you can do it. Yes.
So when our culture, and we will say in Christendom that there is no divorce in the Bible. But there are aspects of the Bible, I don't know how to quote the Bible now, Pastor will be able to. I am aware of some aspects, some portions of the Bible that says a woman can be divorced on the basis of infidelity. But that aspect did not say a man also can be divorced on the basis of this or that, which means it's only the woman that can be divorced. The man cannot be divorced. So it is that one people are hinging on when they say there is no divorce in the dictionary of God. But must somebody die in the process of upholding culture, upholding religion, ethics? So, to me, when we study our culture, especially the Yoruba culture, even Igbo culture, the African culture generally, then coming back to Nigeria, we see that majority of the portions of norms and values that we hold in high esteem are unfair to the woman. They compel the woman. Under any condition, you must just keep submitting. So I don't think that is good enough for us. So that is why people who want to, I can't go back to my father's house. In fact, in my own family, once you are married, because they will ask you, like it, you love him, want to be his wife, you can't bring another man here. And when you marry, they will say, so you are now going to your home, and that is your home. They will tell you, you can't come here to do anything unless your husband permits you. You see, all those things give the man that has his own bad side already. Give him the mind to say, after all, she can't go back home. He will send her back. So I can beat her. She can't pack out. Her mom will even say, you see me, your father's house. You think your father has been good? He hasn't been good. I've been tolerating him. Go back to your husband's house. And these are some of the aspects of our culture. It's good to be a home girl. Stay in your marriage. But you can only be in your marriage when you are alive. Once you are dead, because be that marriage again. So when things start to happen like that, and to get to that level, it's better to please give yourself space. Speak up. Leave.
Thank